Hello students, welcome back. So I know you all are in the state of confusion about which course to opt after your PUC or 12th, right? So today in this video I will be discussing about the career options after your PUC, and these career options are for PCB students. So there are some B group career options which are related to the medical field, and in this video I will be discussing some of the possible career options for PCB students. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end to know more about biology related courses in India. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So if you are really good at studies and if you are a hard worker, the best option for you is MBBS. So the most popular medical course that is available in India. So MBBS course is 5.5 year duration, and this is divided into 4.5 year of academic program and 1 year of internship. So the next course is BDS. So BDS stands for Bachelor of Dental Surgery. So to become a dentist, one must complete this academic program. So this course is 5 years including the internship. After completing BDS, you will be called as dentist. So the next course is BSc Nursing. So this course will help you to become a registered nurse in India. So the course duration will be 3 to 4 years, depends on which state you are pursuing the degree. So the academic program consists of classroom lectures and practical training. So next course is B Farm. uh, B Farm stands for Bachelor of Pharmacy. So the course is of 4 years duration, and this degree will help you to become a licensed chemist in India. So the course focuses on the subjects like pharmacy, chemistry, biology, and healthcare. So next course is PharmD. So PharmD and B Pharma are two different courses. So PharmD is Doctor of Pharmacy. It is more advanced than B Pharm course. So the course duration is 6 years. So the next course is BAMS. BAMS stands for Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. So after completing this course, you will be called as doctor, that is Ayurvedic doctor, and the course duration is 5.5 years. So this course focuses on the concepts of Ayurveda and Ayurvedic medicine. The next course is BHMS. BHMS stands for Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. So the course duration is 5.5 years. After completing this course, one will be getting the title of doctor. So this course aims at treating the patients using the homeopathic methods and medicine. The next course is BUMS. So BUMS stands for Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. This discipline aims at treating the patients using Unani system of healing, and the course duration is 5.5 years long. So the next course is BPT. So BPT stands for Bachelor of Physiotherapy. This discipline uses massages, exercises, and movements of muscles to treat the patients who will be suffering from injuries and who will be recovering from the surgeries. So the course duration will be 4.5 years. So the next course is BVSC and AH. So this stands for Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. So this discipline focuses on the use of biology and technology to treat the animals and also to prevent the diseases that will be occurring to the animals. So the course duration of this course is 5 years. So these are the medical related courses. Apart from this, there are some BSc courses. So BSc Biochemistry, Biology, Physics, Chemistry, Environmental Sciences, Biotechnology, Occupational Therapy, Physiotherapy, Radiology, Bioinformatics, Anthropology and Microbiology, Zoology, Forensic Science, Agricultural Science, Pathology, Speech Therapy, Fishery Science, Horticulture, Genetics, Health Science and Nutrition, Audiology, Botany. So these are some of the BSc related courses, and there are many more BSc related courses. You can Google it, you will get the details of BSc related courses. So apart from these courses, there are some paramedical courses. So these paramedical courses are related to allied health sectors. There are some best paramedical courses that are available in India. So here are some: BSc in Operation Theatre Technology, X-rays, technology, medical lab technology, ophthalmic technology, bachelor's in occupational therapies, bachelor's of physiotherapy, BSc in speech therapy. So these are some of the paramedical courses that are available in India. So apart from these, there are some certificate courses. So nursing care assistant, ECG assistant, dental assistant, ophthalmic assistants, CT scanning technicians, dialysis technicians, MRI technicians. So these are some of the medical certificate courses. Okay, so you can go for any of these course and get your degree from the universities. So that's it guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and do comment which course you will be opting for as your career option.